Now let's see this question. This is given in GATE 2009. Integral 0 to pi by 4, 1 minus tan x divided by 1 plus tan x dx. So convert tan x into sin x and cos x. So in place of tan x I can write it as sin x by cos x. Here also sin x by cos x. Then what do I get? Cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x. Right? Now we can use substitution method, where if you assume t is equal to sin x plus cos x plus sin x, then dt is going to be minus sin x plus cos x dx. Okay, therefore you can write this entire function as, see, this entire integral can be written like this. Okay, in this we are going to substitute. So what are you going to substitute is, in place of sin x cos x minus sin x dx, in this entire expression, it could be replaced with dt simply, and then cos sin x plus cos x can be replaced with t. Only thing remaining will be what to replace this pi by 4 with and what to replace this 0 with. Now for that reason, you take this 0 and substitute here. As the limits or the interval for x is from 0 to pi by 4, you can find out the interval for t. So for that reason, you substitute 0 here. You are going to get cos 0 plus sin 0, which means 1. And when you substitute pi by 4 and pi by 4 here, you are going to get 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which means 2 into root 2, which means root 2. Therefore, it is from 1 to root 2. You are going to get 1 here and root 2 here. So wherever it was 0, you are going to get 1, and wherever it was pi by 4, you are going to get root 2, which means interval for x is from 0 to pi by 4, and the interval for t is from 1 to root 2, right? And here you are going to substitute t, and this entire thing is going to be dt, so dt by t. Now what is this? It is going to be log mod t. 1 by x, integral 1 by x is going to be log mod t, right? So it is going to be the interval is from 1 to root 2, right? Now you substitute root 2 here and 1 here. Log root 2 minus log 1. Log root 2 minus log 1. We know that log 1 is 0, so you can eliminate it. Now you are going to get log root 2. So log root 2 can be written as log 2 power 1 by 2, which can be written as 1 by 2 into log 2. Got it? Okay. Now let's try to solve the same question in a different method. So if you see this, I could write 1 as tan pi by 4. So I am going to write this 1 as tan pi by 4 and this one as tan pi by 4. Now you can see that it is in the form of tan A minus tan B divided by tan A plus tan B. So which can be written as tan A minus B. So this entire thing, so this entire function or that entire expression 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x can be written as tan pi by 4 minus x. Okay. Now this entire integral can be now transformed to integral 0 to pi by 4 tan pi by 4 minus x dx. Now if you remember it, we have a property that integral 0 to a f of x can be written as integral 0 to a f of a minus x, right? Therefore here I can substitute in place of this entire thing pi by 4 minus this. So integral 0 to pi by 4. So in place of this entire thing, I can write it as pi by 4 minus x. So it is going to be pi by 4 minus pi by 4 minus x. So if you are going to strike off this, it is going to be tan x. So integral 0 to pi by 4 tan x dx. Now we know that integral tan x is going to be log secant x. So you are going to put anyway mod there, right? So why? If you try to apply d by dx of log secant x, it is going to be 1 by secant x into secant x tan x. Therefore it is going to be tan x, right? So that is why integral of tan x is going to be log secant x. So here you are going to put mod. Now the limits are from 0 to pi by 4, right? So you are going to substitute in place of secant x pi by 4. Now if you say secant pi by 4, it is going to be root 2, right? Minus secant 0. So secant 0 is 1 minus log 1, right? So log root 2 minus log 1. You are going to get this like in the previous method also. You got the same thing in the end, right? So it is going to be 1 by 2 into log 2. Got it? Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is Out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.